Good evening. I welcome you all in the premises of the Bar Council of Delhi. So, how is the Josh? Little louder. Honorable Chairman of the Enrollment Committee, Mr. O.P. Phaji. My elder brother, Mr. R.S. Goswami, Member Enrollment Committee. Mr. Rakesh Sarawat, Member Enrollment Committee and former Chairman, Bar Council of Delhi. My younger brother, Rajendra Sangwan, Member Bar Council of Delhi. You must know that who are in the Enrollment Committee today because they themselves, they can't appreciate about themselves. So Mr. Faizi, he is having a very long practice at bar. I believe he is having practice at bar of my age. So we should give a big hand for him. He is the oldest member in the Bar Council of Delhi. Mr. R.S. Goswami, his complete name is Ram Swarup Goswami. The moment he shifted from Mathura to Delhi, then he make a cut short his name and now he is known as R.S. Goswami. Leading lawyer in matrimonial and he is the renowned lawyer in matrimonial side. He has already done thousands and thousands of cases in matrimonial side. Me and Mr. Goswami, we got elected in Bar Council of Delhi together in 2003. So we should give a big hand for him. My dear brother Rakesh Sarawat, he falls in exceptional category of the Bar Council of Delhi because in Delhi Bar Council of Delhi, he is the only one whose father was also the chairman and he also became the chairman of the Bar Council of Delhi. So we should give a big hand for him. Rajendra Sangwan, he also graduated from Delhi University and very renowned, very active. You were just listening him. He could have taken another 3-4 days, but the things were not going to finish. We indicated that we are also here. He is a very good speaker, very good lawyer at bar. And about myself, I am thinking to share something because there may be occasion that the other speaker may not speak about me. So I graduated from Campus Law Center, Delhi University. My batch was 88-91 and got elected as General Secretary in Campus Law Center itself in 1989. And that addiction, that you can say hobby of being political continued in bar as well. Got elected in Delhi Bar Association 2 times in 99 and 2000. 2003 first time I got elected here. I acquired every post here in Delhi Bar Council. So I was more curious to attend today's meeting with the sole reason that I came to know that Delhi University result has also come out. And many students from Delhi University has also come today. So I am here to welcome you all, especially Delhi University students also. My brothers have already spoken a lot and I would like only to ask any of you that do you know the provision, under which provision you can be enrolled as an advocate in Bar Council of Delhi? So please raise your hand. Any of you? Yes, Madam Kharje.
Section 15 under Advocates Act 1961.
Section?
15.
No, you have to check it again.
Actually correct.
24.
Yes, you are right. What's your good name?
Ayushi, sir. Ayushi.
इधर देखो दूसरी तरफ. We should give a big hand for Ayushi. She saved the, prestige of the entire house. Ayushi is entitled for a big hand. Once more. Why I am talking about this today? Because you must know that for what purpose you have come here in Bar Council of Delhi today. you must know under what provision you can get a license to practice. It's not a simple registration. It is a license to practice at bar. And you have to remember this date and your enrollment number throughout the life. In case you will be appointed as a judge or prosecutor or in any other job, then by that time this license will remain suspended, but the number will remain same. And the moment you will come to bar again, after doing your job, you will again get revived the same number. So you have not to forget this enrollment number, it's your license number, and you have to remember it throughout the life and the date of the enrollment. Why it is important? Because your experience will be counted from today. I always refer you all as a colleague with the reason that from today you will all become advocate the moment my brothers will put their signature and you will get your enrollment number. So you are equally an officer of the court from today with immediate effect. Lot of things are there to be shared. You have got many welfare schemes from today. Your medical bills will be reimbursed in case you will suffer with any serious ailment. My brother Ajender and Rakesh Harawat has already shared with you that in case you will commit any professional misconduct, then you will be invited again here with the summons and notice in Bar Council of Delhi. But I will request you all not to do anything, because when we grant you license to practice at bar, then it is with an idea that we should not be there in that committee, and that unfortunate day should not come in your life or in our life. So you have to be very careful. And now, today is the day of celebration. I know the pain of a first generation lawyer. At the same time, I know the enjoyment of the first generation lawyer. The day when I used to achieve anything, I was feeling very happy. My children have also joined the bar, but I have noticed that difference which I enjoyed and which they are enjoying. So I suggest all the first generation lawyers not to get discouraged. The sky is the limit. Most of the time, the first citizen of India had been from the bar. So you just keep it in mind that when Murari Tiwari can achieve with a zero background everything, then you can also do the same thing. You can do better. You can do better than me. So it's a day of the enjoyment. I would like to share one event with you that me and Mr. Goswami, we were there together in one enrollment committee, and we, suggested all the new entrants that go and enjoy today. It's a party day and it's a celebration day. So after 1 hour, I received one call from Lajpat Nagar wine shop that somebody has left the educational documents. So then I asked that how you came to know. Then they said that we searched the number of the bar council, and so enjoyment should not be of that kind. Your documents should be retained with you, right? But there should be celebration. We may not be invited. It's a very important day for a lawyer, for a person who is taking law seriously. And I know you will all enjoy. And I am fortunate that my brothers, they asked me to come today. The credit goes to my brother Rakesh Harawat, Rajesh Goswami ji, OP Faizi ji. So I showed my inclination that today my college students must be there. So he said that you are most welcome, you come here. So congratulations to you all. And I will request one more thing, that suggest your financiers to continue their finance by another 2-3 years in case you want to be a good lawyer. Because as Ajender said that money is not very easy in litigation. So you have to keep patience for a few years and you will achieve everything. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. O.P. Faizi, who is the chairman of the enrollment committee, he will share his experience. Please, sir.